In Igbo land, some cultures and traditions are almost going into extinction due to the spread of Christianity, but some communities are making efforts to revive theirs daily. Ugwulangwu community, also known as Ezokechima, is located in Ohaozara local government area of Ebonyi state. This community, which has existed for over 100 years, is made up of several villages, including Amata, ngwu, Anene, Anenu, and others. The Aju Cultural Festival, which was handed over to the indigenes by their forefathers, is held every year. It is a period of communion and communication with the people's gods and ancestors. It also marks the end of the people's traditional calendar year and the beginning of another. But over time, due to the advent and spread of Christianity in the community, the festival started losing popularity and acceptance, especially among the younger generations, who saw its activities as fetish. However, recently, concerned indigenes met and agreed to revive their cultural heritage, which was almost going into extinction. To announce the exact date of the festival and days, elders count months through the means of moonlight. Traditionally, the people count months and weeks, as well as important events, through market days and new moons. As a result of this, moonlights are usually celebrated among the people as new months are ushered in. Elders use the new moon to determine the equivalent month in the Gregorian calendar. Hence, even those without Western education are able to calculate the numbers of months that make up a year. For the young ones, it is an opportunity for celebration at night at different playgrounds. As the moonlight brightens the night in the absence of electricity, folk tales and opportunities for traditional dances increase. It also reduces crimes. The names of the months are derived from the activities and festivals that take place at the time. The following are some of them and important events marked during the month. The events include some of the months which are attached in traditional events include Onwa Aju, Onwa Nta, Onwa Ukoro, Onwa Aju Ogaranya. Others include Onwa Inima, Onwa Amoha, Onwa Jiofu, Onwa Jeze, Onwa Nta Chiegwu, etc. Onwa Aju. This is the month of the Aju festival, which is usually between August and September. It is used to mark the end and beginning of a new year. Onwa Nta. This period of hunting between September and October brings the people together after the Aju festival. During this period, professional hunters and amateurs converge to show their skills.